I want to address homelessness and evictions in our community, and I was looking for a program that provides a good role model for a success. HomeBase is a wonderful facility.
It's a shelter for homeless youth age 18 to 24, and the mayor came not only to learn more about shelter for homeless youth, but to actually dialogue with the youth themselves.
They help you with schooling, and then they do the job for us.
This program has a good success rate of helping our young people get on their feet and succeed, become active residents of our community.
This is the only shelter for this age group specific in Maricopa County right now, and the city helps once the youth are stabilized here at HomeBase, get a job navigating them back out to stable housing in the community.
It was also really important for me to hear directly from young people in the program about what's working for them, what they've experienced in other programs. As I'm trying to push forward and support good ideas, you need to hear from people who have direct experience.
It's wholly terrifying, just in general, to be homeless
And the mayor is really listening to them and asking them very personal questions about how their life can improve and be better.
Well, it was wonderful to hear the resilience, that we had a young woman who kept staying in her dental program the entire time. She didn't have stable housing and was still focused on where she wanted to end up.
I think for the youth, they were pretty amazed and felt very empowered by actually having the mayor here talking to them and listening to them.
Thank you. Thank you for coming.
I hope during my time as mayor that we can support having an increasing number of programs like this one that really deliver successful results.